All right, now let me step down here and wash my hands because I've been touching that pork. And then we're gonna move on to another food that we just love down here. And that's a Southern deviled egg. You know, I can't stand a skimpy deviled egg. So to ensure that I always have plenty of filling, I boil me off 1 extra egg. And then I take that egg and I mash him up, and I just mash him as fine as I can get him using a fork so that no one will see the white in our deviled eggs. All right, now I'm just gonna take my other 6 eggs, slice them. Look at that. I lucked up with that one. The whole yolk just came right out, leaving me a nice clean shell. All right, maybe we'll get lucky again. Well, we got half lucky. Half of it came out. All right, so we're just gonna pop him out. All right, we've got all our yolks out now. Got our whites all lined up. So I'm just gonna mash those yolks up. All right. Now I'm just gonna start adding dried black pepper, a little salt, and I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. For the tartness, I'm gonna use a sweet relish, and I'm gonna put in about 1½ tablespoons. But I'm gonna make sure that I squeeze off all that moisture because I don't want that extra wetness in my filling. And then I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of prepared yellow mustard. All right, our filling is mixed together. Using a spoon, I'm gonna just stuff the filling back into the cavity, just like that. All right, and look at there. Is that like just perfect? The green color of the dried split peas is beautiful with the egg, and that's gonna keep our eggs from rolling all around and making a big mess when I go to walk with these to the table. Very pretty. Now I'm gonna sprinkle them with just a little paprika. It makes them pretty. Now I'm gonna come in here, I've got some diced pimento because the red color makes them so pretty. And if a few drop on the peas, that is quite all right. Aren't they beautiful? There's nothing like it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.